Hi, and welcome to this absolute beginner course for how to use Adobe After Effects to create exciting motion graphics and visual effects. My name is Tobias and I run Surface Studio. For about the last 10 years or so, I've been heavily involved in filmmaking, especially in the areas of visual effects and 3D. Now, over the years, I've put out hundreds of tutorials, mainly on my YouTube channel and my website, but I find that they can be pretty unstructured and it's hard to find your way through, especially if you're just getting started. So I decided to create a properly structured, well-formatted absolute beginner course for Adobe After Effects that will take you from an absolute beginner level, so I'm not going to assume that you have used the program before, through to intermediate. So by the end of this course, you will be familiar with all of the fundamentals for using Adobe After Effects, and you will be able to create your own motion graphics and add visual effects to your own videos. You should also be in a position where you can then pick up all sorts of more intermediate material that you might find online in tutorials or other training courses and be able to follow along without a problem. In this course, we are going to take it nice and easy. We're first going to start out by looking at the absolute basics, like the interface of Adobe After Effects. What is the composition? How do I add media into my project? And how do I export my project into an actual video file? Then we're going to go straight off the deep end. Nah, I kid, it's not that deep, but we are going to start to looking at some of the more advanced fundamentals, which include animation, keyframing, shape layers, adjustment layers, track mattes, parenting, and how to work with text. Finally, we will wrap this beginner course up with creating our own morph effect, where we are going to morph one person into another with lights, glowing particles, just compositing and all into a nice final visual effect. All the files that you need to follow along with any of the lessons in this course are going to be provided as part of the course materials, but you can always use your own material, your own videos, your own images. You probably just have a whole lot more fun doing it, but don't worry, everything you need will be provided for you to download. Just a final word of warning, this course has a few awful puns in them just because I believe that education should be entertaining as well. But if you do have any comments, questions, you get stuck on anything, just hit me up here or on social media or anywhere else. I'm always happy to help out. After Effects is a very powerful program and it is also a lot of fun to use, and I hope you will enjoy this course. But now I feel like I've waffled on for long enough. Let's jump right into it.